In this video, we'll be discussing about the tips and tricks related to Microsoft Outlook. Whenever we consider the Outlook, we try to reduce the number of emails in the inbox. Here we will see how we can maximize or optimize the way we handle the inbox by reducing the number of emails in our inbox. Now we are in the file. Now we have a tab for view, and in this view, you have these options of folder pane, which would be like normal, minimized, and off, which will set the various options related to how it should be the view. And here we have the reading pane, which gives you options like whether you want to see the mail at the bottom, whether you want to see it as right, or you can switch it as off. Now, once you switch it off, suppose you have many emails and you want to just segregate the emails in which is referred to you, that can be made possible by creating a column, that is the two column over here in the view. Now for that, what we should do is we should go to add columns. Here we have this option of two, just add it, and we can include it next to from and click on OK. Now this view will help us to analyze which are the emails which are related to you or the emails are mentioned for someone else. And the emails in which it is referred to you will have higher priority and you can start working on those emails. Suppose you want to now segregate the emails easily. Maybe you can delete those emails, just use the delete button. Or some tasks would be there which you want to get the data from your colleagues and then later work upon. Now such emails you will be able to flag. So here you have the option of flag. Either you can right click also and you can get these options of flag. So here we will be able to set the different options like mark complete, custom. So how you want to schedule it, whether you will be able to work on it today, tomorrow, based on that, you can set the flag. Once you have set the flag and you have completed the task, then you will be able to go and mark it as complete. In this manner, you will be able to segregate the emails. So once you are done with the task, either you can delete it, or suppose you want to move the email into any folders. It is simple. Here you can go over here in the inbox and create a new folder. This will enable you to create any folder which you want to create, and the folder can be created. And suppose you want to drag and drop any of the emails, easily you will be able to drag and drop those emails into those folders. In this way, we can segregate the inbox and organize it in a very proper manner. The other option what you have here is the show focused inbox. So which will show you, also give you the option to show as conversations. Suppose I want to see all the emails where there are a lot of conversations involved. So this is the way of setting it. And this will allow you to show you an icon where it will show all the emails which are having trail mails. So in this inbox, I do not have any trail emails. That's why I'm not able to see it over here. But if you set it, you will get an arrow key and you will be able to see all the emails, trail emails, and in one go, you will be able to read it and work on those emails. You can also use tighter spacing if you want to see much more emails, or you can reduce it based on how you require to arrange it. Now, suppose you have some emails which you feel you do not require to read it, or it is some junk emails. Directly you can right click and then you will get this option of block center, which will allow you to block it. And also if you have any trail emails where you are not required in those conversations, Then you can just mention your colleagues that I could be removed from those emails, and then you can click on ignore, which will enable you to being removed from those trail emails, and you will stop getting those unwanted emails. So this is how we can organize our inbox in a much better manner, and also allows you to reduce the number of emails what are in the inbox and keep the number of emails to minimum. So these are the various tips and tricks related to how you can work on the Outlook inbox emails. This will allow you to segregate your emails. You can create folders and segregate the emails so that your emails will be in a much organized manner. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also, so this is about the organizing the inbox. And these tips and tricks would help you to organize your inbox in a much better manner and reduce the number of emails in your inbox. So stay tuned to channel to receive more videos related to Outlook. And do share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.